السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أبنائنا وبنات الطلاب جريد 1 في كل مكان. Our lesson today Congruent Triangles. معكم ميس شيماء محمد. لو أنت أول مرة تتابعنا وعجبك شرحنا ما تنساش تضغط لايك، وعشان إن شاء الله بإذن الله تعالى يوصلك شرح باقي دروسنا في المرحلة القادمة اضغط معانا سبسكرايب. إن شاء الله كده نبدأ بدعاء المذاكرة. اللهم أسألك فهم النبيين وحفظ المرسلين والملائكة المقربين، اللهم اجعل ألسنتنا عامرة بذكرك وقلوبنا بخشيتك وأسرارنا بطاعتك، إنك على ما تشاء قدير. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل. Congruent triangles. Two shapes are congruent if all sides and angles in one are equal to the sides and angles in the other. Congruent triangles. Congruent triangles have congruent sides and congruent angles. And the parts of congruent triangles that match are called corresponding parts. Corresponding parts are called corresponding parts. Do you need all 6 elements of triangle? No, I need 3 elements only. First case, side, angle, side, or second case, angle, side, angle, or side, 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 or RHS, right hypotenuse side. The first case of congruent triangle. I have this triangle ABC and I have another triangle XYZ, and the length of BC equal length of ZY, and the side length of AB equal side length of XZ, and the measure of angle B equal measure of angle Z. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XZY, and in this case it's side angle side. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angle in one of them are congruent to the corresponding parts of the other. This case side angle side. If I have this triangle ABC and I have another triangle XYZ, measure of angle B equal measure of angle Z, and the side length of AB equal the side length of XZ, and the measure of angle A equal measure of angle X. This case angle side angle. Two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the side joining between them in one of the triangles are congruent to the corresponding parts of the other. This angle side angle. In first triangle ABC, the side length BC equals the side length of YZ, and the side length of AB equals side length of XY, and the side length of AC equals the side length of XZ. I have here side, side, side. Two triangles are congruent if the length of sides of one of them are equal the corresponding parts of the other. This is side, side, side. If I have angle, angle, angle. If I have in triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal measure of angle D, and the measure of angle B equal measure of angle E, and the measure of angle C equal measure of angle F. Can I say triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF? No, it's not congruent. Why? ABC it's a small triangle and DEF it's a big triangle. يبقى أنا عندي لو عندي 3 angle equal to the corresponding angle in the other triangle it's not congruent. لازم يكون عندي side angle side angle أو side angle side يا إما one side or two side or three side. If I have this triangle, right angle triangle ABC and right angle triangle XYZ, the side length of BC equal the side length of YZ, and the measure of angle and the side length of AB equal side length of XY, and the AB it's called hypotenuse. AB it's called hypotenuse because it's the opposite to right angle. Hypotenuse opposite to right angle. This hypotenuse equal to this hypotenuse. So we can say here I have XY congruent to AB, it's a hypotenuse, and YZ this side congruent, it's equal to CB, and I have here right angle, measure of angle C equal measure of angle Z, it's 90 degree, right angle triangle. So we can say triangle ACB congruent to triangle XZY. Two right angle triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts in the second triangle or in the other triangle, RHS. Here, triangle BSR and BSQ. Here I have side length of BQ equal side length of BR, and BS it's a common side. BS ده عندي ايه common side, and the measure of angle QBS equal measure of angle SBR included angle. So I have side angle included angle side common side. So we can say triangle BQS congruent to triangle BRS. By side angle side. In these triangles, I have BQ equal to SU and BR equal to ST and the QR equal to UT. So triangle BQR congruent to triangle STU. By side. In this triangle TSR, I have RS equal to AB, and here measure of angle S equal measure of angle A. Can I say it's congruent? No, it's not congruent. It's not congruent because it's not enough information to tell me it's congruent. Here I have RQ equal to RM and BQ equal to MN. Can I say it's congruent? Two triangles are congruent? Not congruent. It's not congruent. It's not information to tell me. It's not enough information to tell me it's congruent. Here I have measure of angle B equal measure of angle D. I have here angle 1 and the measure of angle ACB equal measure of angle ECD. This angle 2 and I have here side BC equal to CD. So it's the angle side angle. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle EDC by angle side angle. Here I have here right angle triangle and KG it's hypotenuse and UJJ it's hypotenuse and I have right angle triangle here right angle triangle and here JL it's a common side. So it's R right hypotenuse side RHS. Triangle KJL congruent to triangle ULM by RHS right hypotenuse side. In this example, the side length of AC equal side length of EC and the side length of DC equal side length of BC. And here I have vertically opposite angle, measure of angle ECD equal measure of angle ACB. So it's side angle side to triangle ACB congruent to triangle ECD by side angle side. معاد تمنياتي لكم بالنجاح والتفوق. ان شاء الله باذن الله كده لو عجبك الشرح وفي اي اكزامبل مش فاهمه سيبهولي في كومنت وان شاء الله باذن الله تعالى هجاوبك عليه. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.